We needed a solution that could help us manage and run our professional services business, be able to allow us to get the information that we need out of it, to understand the health of the business, how our team was operating, to be able to integrate with our financial system for customer invoicing and billing, and to be able to do appropriate time tracking and expense entry into the system. From a goal perspective, what we were really looking for was an organization that understood our business, that had a really good subject matter knowledge and expertise around professional services, especially professional services in a software company. It's very different than a straight consulting services organization. And somebody also that had a very strong knowledge of FinancialForce, the PSA system, that could help us configure it in a way that worked for the way that we operated as an organization inside a software company, as well as a company that understood some of the newer technologies around either outcome-based professional services, converged services, and then help us adjust the platform to be able to offer some of these newer capabilities out to our customers. Yeah, when I first started working with CLD Partners, I think the first impressions were they were an organization that understood my business and that really understood the professional services space and understood professional services within a software company and the look and feel of how that operates, how it should operate, how it should execute, the type of system and platform and the reporting needs needed out of that. And the second part that really impressed me about the company was just the individuals that I worked with. Very strong, not only technically, but from a subject matter expert and a business perspective and around the product itself. They weren't an organization that asked us what we wanted. They helped guide us through the right decisions to make that really made sure that our business would work optimally and most effectively on the platform. I think a good example of the work that we've done with CLD is some of the outcome-based packages that we've put in place and this concept of credits. We've moved as a professional services organization, we've moved to credits that help us leverage all of our different capabilities inside services, from consulting and implementation to education to our coaching to our adoption services, and those credits can cross the usage across any of those service lines. And CLD has been very helpful and successful in guiding us and working with us on defining the right way that the platform can utilize credits and can operationalize those across those different service lines. And the value I think that CLD has brought with us is not just as a consulting company, but a true partner, and not only understanding what we're trying to accomplish, but as well, from an architecture and a project management and just a collaborative standpoint, working with us to, not only flush out the right requirements, but then also kind of lead us through the right design on implementing that. CLD has been extremely critical to the success of our services organization at Collibra. It's helped us become a little bit more mature of an organization. We didn't have the visibility into the health of the business prior to CLD helping us adjust and configure our PSA system in such a way that would really help us operationalize our business. We were doing everything very manual, spreadsheet-based, document-based, and not in a system of record. And it's been able to help us not only provide that operational and process activities that we were looking for, but also gives us a lot of the visibility and the reporting and the collaboration now across our regions and across our customer and partner base that we just didn't have before. To me, a true partner is an organization or organizations that collaborate well together, that have that ability to bounce ideas off of, that provide respect to each other, that listen to each other, hear them out, disagree when they feel it's the wrong path that an organization is going to take, and agree and help guide them when it is the right decision that they're taking. We will absolutely continue to work with CLD Partners. We've got a laundry list of items for 2021 and beyond that we're looking to bring into the organization and the platform, and that we're already starting to frame up and design with CLD.